Alright, hey, how's it going? This video is going to be pretty short, but I'm finding with these Rust videos there's multiple steps, and I'd rather cut them into a whole bunch of short videos, make them easily digestible, than some longer videos. Just before I get into this, by the way, I've made a quick change to my Patreon. If you pop down into the video link, I've rejigged all of the tiers. There's only one tier now, $2.50 a month. Anyone who supports at the $2.50 level gets video credit. Thank you, I appreciate it. And let's get into it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make an enum, an enumerator, to track the pieces on the board. So I'll go through and I'll make a new folder. This will be model. And I'll go through the same process that I did with view to make another module. So I'll make a mod.rs to describe the model module, and then I'll go ahead and make, I'll call this, game.rs. Okay, so here I'm going to declare a public module. And then in the game, this is where I'm going to declare my enumerator, which I'll call board piece. So how could we represent pieces on the board? Well, I mean, we could have board piece objects, or we could have integers, like 0 is nothing on the board, 1 is like a green piece or something, but that'll get a bit annoying. We could also define variables. So instead of saying, okay, 0 is nothing, we'll literally have a variable, a constant called nothing, which evaluates to 0. But here's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to make an enum, and I'll say, okay, the options are either none, or a red piece, or a black piece. And this counts as a custom data type. So under the hood, it can have its own representation, like an integer, but I'm just going to use it as like just a semantic namespace sort of thing. So I'll go back to my main program. I'll do pretty much the same as before. I'll say, okay, I have a module called model, and I'm going to use the model, game, and board piece enum. So then the way I can start using this is I can, for instance, go down below, just somewhere, and I'll say, okay, let's say I'm making some, the type of that is board piece, and the value is, I don't know, a black piece, for instance. So we can test if something's black and perform the appropriate draw function, if so. And what I'll do in the next video is I'll make a whole array of these. So anyway, that's it for now. Nice and quick, short and sweet. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.